Hello, welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. My name is Shirley. Today we're going to be unboxing an order I placed with Wantable. So Wantable is a try before you buy clothing subscription service, and I was on Instagram, of course, and I saw one of their ads. This is called the Chill Chic Edit. There will be 7 items in this box. I have no idea what's inside. There is a stylist that chose all of these items for me. When you first sign up, you do take this like quick little style quiz. You kind of tell them your style, what you like, what you don't like, the colors that you like, etc. And you get charged a $20 styling fee, and they send you this box. You get 5 days to try everything on. If you don't like anything, you go ahead and send everything back. You won't be charged for it. However, you don't get that $20 styling fee refunded to you, so you lose $20. But of course, if there's something that you like from this box and you want to keep, that $20 will go towards the credit of the items that you'll be buying. Okay, so I went ahead and placed an order. This is the little box. It's actually really cute. It's a really small box. Let's go ahead and take a look at everything that I received. When you sign up with them and you log into your account, they have this section on their website. It's called a stream. So what that is they show you items that they have available, and if you like it, you can mark request or you can hit decline. So this is like a never-ending scroll. I spent maybe like 15-20 minutes on here just like scrolling through everything and just like either requesting it or declining it. To be honest, I declined most of it because like some of them were just really hideous looking. There was a really ugly camel pattern and there were some like animal prints that I'm not really into. So anyway, so I'm hoping my stylist took a look at my stream and chose items that might fit me. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this box. I just cut it open. Ooh. When you open it, there's some copy on the inside of the box. The world's easiest steps. Okay, so this is kind of explaining to you what I just explained. Ooh, there's actually a sticker with my name on it. It says Styled for Shirley. I see some more pamphlets in here. There's some postcards in here. Oh, and when you return it, you can actually choose between USPS or UPS, depending on whichever one's easier for you. The Chill Chic Edit. Ooh, and on the back is the return labels. Ooh, I just kind of took a quick peek. I didn't mean to, but there's like a packing list here of everything oh my gosh. Okay, baby. You want to be in this video? Okay. So this is Felix. You might have seen him in some of my other videos before. He was making a ruckus on the side, so let's just have you in the video too, even though this is not for you. So on the inside, when you are taking your quiz, you have notes for your stylist. My note was currently working from home and on a lot of Zoom calls, looking for polished and comfy pieces to fit current lifestyle. Don't need too much workout gear as I am subscribed to another monthly workout outfit box. Also recently had a baby and in postpartum. So if certain bottoms run small, please send the next size up. And then I have another note saying love tie-dye and fun colors, already own basic colors, so we'll be interested in seeing some spring friendly colors. Please, okay, please avoid all white as I have a baby at home. As you can see. So he's actually 7 months old today. The label for UPS is here. In the box, I see a bag that you can use for USPS. So I guess you just place the UPS label over this one if you decide to use this one. Or maybe you can use this box and return it. I don't know. So let's open up the packing slip because it's going to tell me the price of each item. All right, baby, I have to set you down. Ooh, I'm looking at this total here. If I keep everything, it's $300. Ooh, probably not going to do that, right? Okay, sweetheart. I'm going to have to set you down next to me here. Is that okay? Is it okay if I set you down here? Okay, there we go. Yeah, you can play with your teddy bear. There you go. All right, let's dig into the first item that I'm seeing here. The first item looks like, oh, you know, I think I actually requested this. So this is like a bralette kind of thing. What do they call it? The Haley Rib Tank in Rose Blossom. So this is $34. I definitely don't have the abs to wear this on its own, so I will most likely wear on the inside. Okay, the second item, oh, I did request this one too. So this one is a treasure pant in pine. This one is like kind of like a knit fabric, modal and spandex fabric. So this is in a size medium, and there are pockets here. I'm really curious to try this on. I have been working from home for about a year now. Wow, that's crazy. Looking for fun colors to wear around the house. The next item, oh, I think I also requested this one. So this is a size medium, and this is called the Selena Stripe Tie-Dye Jogger in Bone. There's like a little bit of a tie-dye detail here on the legs. So excited to try this one too. Ooh, this one feels very comfy. This one retails for $64. You can kind of tell that the material in this one is better than the previous one that I just held up. This one, ooh, okay, maybe I didn't see the price tag. This one retails for $88. That's a little bit steep. Like the fabric is not that great. I don't know. Let's try it on. Okay. Whoa. All right. Well, this takes tie-dye to a whole new level. I think I did request this one, but this one looked better online. This is by Theo and Spence, and this retails for $58. I can tell you right off the bat that I'm not going to keep this one because the fabric is already kind of peeling a little bit. I don't think I picked this one. This is a knot tank in blue gray, and this is $44. Probably not going to keep this one because I have enough tank tops and my arms are not in great shape right now. So I will probably not be wearing a lot of tanks around. Ooh, there's a piece of hair in here. And I don't think it's my hair. Maybe it is. Nope, it's definitely not my hair. It's brown. Gross. So somebody probably tried this on, returned it, and then they sent it out to me. Okay, well that's a little bit strange. And then the last item, oh no, there's 2 more items. The next item is a tee with back slits in heather gray, $79. And this is by Thrive Society, spelled in a funky way. This is like a long sleeve tee, and then there are some slits on the back. If it were a little bit cheaper, I might keep it. $79? I don't think so. I mean, the fabric is quite nice. It's really soft. So let's try it on and see. Okay, and then the last item, this one feels like a workout tank. This is a comforter tank in plum, and this is $39. So this is like definitely more of a workout top. I guess it's cute, but I'm not sure if I need any more tank tops for working out. Maybe. Let's try it on. I do like the material. It's like this spandex workout material, and yeah, let's just try it on and see. The only item I ended up keeping were these bone color sweatpants. Although perhaps a tad short in length on me, I really liked the tie-dye detail on the leg and thought that it was pretty easy to match with the rest of my wardrobe. Some of the other tops I received were very basic. My stylist didn't really take into account the note I left for her and sent too many workout tops. And also one of the tops smelled like cigarette smoke, which was quite off-putting for me because I don't smoke myself. And I'm just noticing this as I am editing. If you use Rakuten, you can activate your account for $5 cash back. For more info on Rakuten, take a look at my description below on how to join. Returning the unwanted items was pretty straightforward. I ended up using USPS. Thank you so much for unboxing and reviewing Wantable with me. If you have any questions or comments, make sure to leave it in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and give it a share if you can. And if you're not already subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you get notified every time I have new videos up. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. You want to say bye too? Okay, come say bye, baby. Come say bye. Say bye, YouTube. Make sure to subscribe. I'm going to be in future mommy baby videos, right? Yeah. Oh, that's my mic.